Student, yesterday I told you about the hardware. Now our today's topic is main component of hardware. There are four components of an hardware: input device, storage device, output device and processing device. Firstly, we will know about the input device. Input device are devices which allow us to enter data and instructions into a computer to carry out various tasks. Those devices which used to enter the data for doing different tasks in computer, those devices are known as input device. There are 6 type of input device. How many types? 6 type of input device: keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, light pen and graphics tablet. Now firstly, we all know about the keyboard. We all have familiar with the keyboard in our computer lab. Whenever we are enter in computer lab and start our computer system, then first thing which we noticed is keyboard. The most common and popular input device is keyboard. It is used to enter data and instructions into the computer by typing, and it is also known as quadri keyboard because its first 6 letter of home are Q, W, E, R, T and Y. So it is known as quadri keyboard. The middle line, the first line of the alphabet keys is started with Q, W, E, R, T, Y. These are the 6 letters, so it is called quadri keyboard. The keys on the keyboard can be divided into 4 parts. Typing key, used for typing. Typing key is used for typing. Function key, navigation key and control key. Typing keys are alphabet key and numeric key. Function key start from 1 and 12. These are 12 keys, F1 to F12. Navigation key means when we are going from one place to another place or we want to change the position, so we use navigation key. These are arrow key, home and page up and page down key. The last is control key. Control, shift, alt, window and ESC key, except बोलते हैं इसको. Students, I will send you a detailed video of keyboard, but not in our book. It has in detail, but in the next chapters. Then I will send you the detailed video of keyboard.